Your KDP book just returned to draft, or the bookshelf says blocked. That does not automatically mean your account is banned. First, identify the exact status. Then build a small evidence packet before you change anything. Here is the important difference. In review means you must wait. Draft after review means Amazon wants a change. Blocked means the title cannot be edited or published. That status needs a support conversation. Open your KDP bookshelf and write down the status. Then find the newest KDP email about that exact title. Match the title, format, ASIN or ISBN, and message date. Do not diagnose a paperback from an ebook email. Before editing, save a screenshot of the status and a copy of the email. Record the manuscript and cover file names you uploaded. Add the submission date. This gives you a clean before picture if support asks what changed. A KDP review problem usually belongs in one of 4 working buckets. Check metadata first. Then check the uploaded files. Next, check publishing rights. Finally, check account or policy details. One message can touch more than one bucket. Suppose the cover says, "A simple bread guide," but the KDP title says, "The best bread guide." That mismatch can stop review. Compare title, subtitle, author, series, cover, ISBN, keywords, and categories line by line. If the details match, inspect the exact uploaded file. Use Kindle Previewer for ebooks. Check missing pages, repeated chapters, broken links, unreadable images, and the table of contents. For print, inspect margins, bleed, spine, and every warning. A publishing rights question needs documents, not a longer story. KDP may ask why the same text appears elsewhere or who controls an older edition. Answer that exact question and attach the clearest record you have. Useful records include your signed agreement, a rights reversion letter, and dated source files. Add permission for licensed material or proof that you control the website showing the text. Keep names and dates readable. Reply from the email connected to your KDP account. Confirm your legal, tax, bank, and contact details are consistent. Never open a second KDP account to escape a review problem. Amazon's help pages prohibit that workaround. If AI-created text, images, or translations, confirm the KDP disclosure is accurate. AI-assisted editing does not require disclosure under the current rule. Treat this as one checkbox. Do not assume every review problem is about AI. Your KDP reply needs 5 parts. Name the book and format. State the issue in one sentence. Say exactly what you changed. List the attached evidence. End with one direct question asking whether anything else is required. Here is the pattern. The paperback cover title did not match the title field. I corrected the cover to match. I attached the new cover and a screenshot of the updated details. Please confirm whether another change is required. Leave out the life story, guesses about the reviewer, and threats to leave Amazon. Do not open several tickets for the same issue. A short reply helps support, compare the reported problem, your fix, and your evidence. Before resubmitting, check 4 matches: listing to cover, listing to manuscript, rights claim to documents, and AI disclosure to the actual workflow. Rename the corrected files clearly, then upload once and save the new submission time. KDP says normal review can take up to 3 business days. Low-content books can take up to 10. Reviews cannot be expedited or cancelled. If the title is still in review inside that window, waiting is usually the correct action. If the status says blocked, use the original email thread or KDP contact us. Ask what specific guideline needs clarification. Keep every response in one evidence folder. Automated can help prepare the book, but only KDP can change a KDP decision. The safest order is simple: Read the status, save the evidence, diagnose the right bucket, fix only the confirmed problem, reply with proof, then resubmit once. Next, use the complete KDP walkthrough to check the rest of your upload.